Hello everyone, this is Umair Hassan and we are going to solve paper 4024 2016 May-June, variant is 22 and question number is 8. So this question has an exponential equation and we are going to solve its related parts. Paper is P2. So the question is, the table below shows some values of x and the corresponding values of y where y is given. We have been given the equation for y, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 raised to the power x, and we need to find this value of y which is missing when x is 1. So when x is 1, you can find the value of y by putting x equal to 1 over here. It will be 2 over 4, that is y will be equal to 1 by 2. So you need to write here y 1 by 2. Okay, and then part number B says, on the grid below draw the graph of y is equal to 1 over 4 into 2 power x. Well, we are going to draw these points x and y, these coordinates on the graph. When x is 0, y is 1 by 4. I need to use the scale over here. When x is 0, y is 1 by 4. Right. Okay, so we have been given 10 graduations here, that is, this is 1, 2, 2.5 over here. This is your first point, the first one. When x is 0, y is 1 by 4. Okay, right. Now the next point is, when x is 1, y is 1 by 2. X is 1, y is 1 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Because the graph needs attention, we need to draw it very carefully. This is your second point, 1, 1 by 2. When x is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. This one. Okay, right over here. Right. Then when x is 3, y is 2. When x is 3, y is 2 over here. This one. Right. When x is 4, y is 4. X is 4, y is 4. X is 4, y is 4 over here. Exactly. And then when x is 5, y is it? X is 5, y is it? This one. Now you need to join them with a smooth curve. Let me try. I need to draw a very smooth curve because we are going to find the gradient of this curve in the next part, like this. Okay, I have tried my best. Wherever I have done some kind of mistake over here, let me try. Okay, so this is the required graph for this given equation. Now in part number C, followed on the next page, you need to find gradient at x equal to 4. At x equal to 4, you need to find the gradient. Mean at x equal to 4, we need to draw a tangent, and the gradient of tangent will be the gradient at this point. So let's draw a tangent line at x equal to 4. So this is your tangent line at x equal to 4. Right. Let me draw it again, because tangent line should have equal space on both the sides. Right. Tangent line should have equal space on both the sides. Now try by this one. Okay, this is better. So the tangent at this point at x equal to 4, just a point where the line just touches the curve, like this one. Okay, that's better. So you need to find the gradient of this tangent, which will be the gradient at this point. So let us choose 2 points over here. So you can take 1 point, that is 5. Let me pick up 1 point over here. So this is this one. This is y5. What is the value of x over here? The value of x is, okay, this one. So this is 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5. So when x is 4.5, y is 5. Okay, and you can choose another point like this one when x is 2 over here. When x is 2, this one, what is the value of y? Sorry, when y is 2, the value of x is 3.3. Okay, when y is 2, excuse me for the mistake, then y is 2, x is 3.3. When x is 3.3, y is 2 on that point. At 2, the value on this tangent is 3.3. So now find the gradient, and as you know, the gradient is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, that will be equal to y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2, x2 minus x1, 4.5 minus 3.3. So what is the value of this over here? Well, the answer is 2.5. So the gradient at this point at x is equal to 4. By drawing a tangent line at this point, the gradient is 2.5. Let us see the next part. Well, in the next part they have part number D. I have solved up to part number C. D part 1 show that the line this together with the graph this can be used to solve the equation this, and then we need to solve this one. Okay, first of all, because the line, this line with this graph can be used to solve the equation. Know how you can find this equation. This is 2x plus y equal to 6. Now y is equal to 6 minus 2x from here, and y is equal to 1 over 4 to power x from this one. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. You can equate them. 6 minus 2x, now that is equal to 1 over 4 to power x. You can rearrange the equation. 4 will be going on this side. 6 into 4, 24. 2 into 4, 8x is equal to 2 power x. Rearrange this one, 2 power x plus 8x minus 24 equal to 0. So you got this equation, and if you want to solve this equation, then you are going to draw this line on your graph. So let's do that. So if you want to solve this equation, this one as indicated in D part 3, this is part number D and 3 of this question number 8, you need to draw this line because this equation has been obtained when you have equated these two equations. Now this is a straight line, this is an exponential one, this represents this one, while this straight line is representing this one. How you have drawn this straight line? This was the equation. So take x equal to 0. When x will be 0, y will be 6. When x is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4. So you got 2 points, x0, y6. x0, y6, 0, 6. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 1, y is 4. Got 2 points, join them. This is your point of intersection, which is the solution for this one. And here you can see that x is 2.3. So x is 2.3. The solution for this equation is this. Then here comes part number E. The point P and Q are given. You need to find the gradient of PQ. So gradient of PQ, is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 3, x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2, 4 minus 3 divided by 5 minus 2, 4 minus 3 is 1 over 3. This is the gradient of PQ for E part number 1. Then in part number 2 on the grid that is given, that's why I have not dropped this one. Draw the line L parallel to PQ that touches the curve. Okay, that is quite simple. So let me write the coordinates of P, that is 2, 3, and coordinates of Q 5, 4. Now first of all draw PQ, and then after drawing PQ then we will draw line L parallel to PQ that will touches the curve. Now you can draw the line PQ where P is 2, 3, X is 2, Y is 3. So X is 2, Y is 3. Let me mark this. X is 2 and Y is 3 over here. So this is the point. This is P. Then mark Q 5, 4. 5 and 4. Well, this is simple. 5 and 4. Okay. X is 5, Y is 4. Right. This one. Okay. So we have marked Q as well. Right. Now you need to join them to draw the line PQ like this, and then you need to draw a line parallel to PQ that will intersect the curve. Now this is somewhere over here. Let me readjust it. Just wait a minute. Okay, just need to focus over here. Okay, need to draw a line parallel to PQ. Parallel to PQ, you should have the same gradient. It will be somewhere over here. It should be parallel to PQ and should touches the curve like this. It should touch the curve. Let me try again. It should touch the curve. This is your curve. This is our curve, and it should touch the curve. It should be parallel to PQ. Okay, so the line parallel to PQ, this one. So this line is parallel to PQ. That is parallel to PQ, and we need to find its gradient. Well, this line is touching this point. As you can see, this line is tangent almost to this point, and the coordinates of this point are x is 1 and y is 1 by 2. Okay, and because gradient of PQ is 1 by 3, this is given. This is gradient of PQ. PQ and this line is parallel, so gradient of this line will be 1 over 3, and this line is passing through this point. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. You can obtain equation of this line, which is the last part. Obtain equation of this line L. Now this is line L. You can obtain its equation. So y minus y1 is 1 by 2. The point where this line is tangent, this is tangent at this point, is equal to m is 1 by 3. Gradient of PQ is same to L because both are parallel. X minus x1, x1 is 1. So you can further simplify it. 3 into y is 3y minus 3 over 2 is equal to x minus 1. Rearrange this one, 3y minus x is equal to minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So your answer will be somewhat 3y minus x equals, that is 1 by 2. 3y minus x equals 1 by 2. You can simplify it further. So 3y minus x is equal to 1 by 2. This is your solution. This is the equation for this line L. This is the way how you are going to solve it. So this is solution of question number 8 of paper May-June 2016, paper 2. In my next lesson I will upload the next question. Thank you so much.